What is motion? Motion is movement. When something moves, it is in motion. There are things moving all around us. Fruit falls from trees, balls bounce up and down, people run from one place to another. There are many ways to describe motion. To describe is to use words to say what something is like. Sliding, jumping, spinning, and swinging are some words to describe motion. From here to there. Motion is a change of position. An object changes position when it moves from one place to another. You change position when you walk from one room to another. Race cars change position when they move from the starting line to the finish line. Objects can move in different ways. They can move in straight lines, zigzags, back and forth, or round and round. Back and forth. Some objects move back and forth. First, they move in one direction, and then they move in the opposite direction. A rocking chair moves back and forth when it rocks. Waves also move back and forth at the beach. What do you think? Which objects in this picture move back and forth? Going in circles. Some objects move in a circle. This is called circular motion. Ferris wheels and merry-go-rounds are rides that move people in a circle. What do you think? Sort the objects shown below into two groups, things that move in a circular motion, things that do not move in a circular motion. Zigzags. Some things move in a zigzag motion. They go from side to side. These skiers are moving in a zigzag motion as they ski down the hill. A snake moves from side to side in a zigzag motion along the ground. These children are running through tires in a zigzag motion.